Okay, folks, it is the afternoon of December 4th, and we have got the boat loaded up and ready to go to the river. We haven't had the boat out since the church retreat at the beginning of October, and we're going to get out and run her a little bit today. It's a beautiful afternoon. The river's kind of low, but we'll make a go of it. Okay. We haven't been on the water in 6 weeks. This is our opportunity to get out, run the boat a little bit, test out that new Garmin Echo map, see how that works. We're gonna explore part of the river that I don't normally go to. Put in at Blackshear'S Ferry and go up from there. Our good friend Catfish Kyle said that fish aren't biting down there where we normally fish. So I told him I would get out, explore some new territory, and let him know. We'll see how this pans out. But the first stop is, we need some bait. Go up here to the store and grab some worms. Need some ice. Soda wouldn't hurt either. Okay. Let us see where the river takes us. I've never been down this far. I ain't never put in here or done anything, so it's new to me and everybody else. Oh, me. Can do this without getting soaking wet. That's always nice. Start. This is why you have a spare kill switch. This one appears to have gone AWOL. And that would not be a good thing. Off this cement. Look at that. Crank up right away. Alrighty then. Step 1, crank the boat. Step 2, rearrange all this stuff so it's not under my feet. And step 3, cue up the Garmin. Is at least turn to the middle of the river. That would be preferable. Phone goes in here. Oop, don't go that far. I agree. Shorts. Fishing short. Menu. Withdraw. Start recording. Okay. Back. Back. Yeah. Looks like it's about 4 feet deep. Let's go. I'm not going to go real fast because I cannot see if there's anything on the water. I can't see. I'm sure we got bait. Would have been bad if we left the bait truck. That wouldn't do no good. Folks, this is a beautiful spot on the river where I'm at. And it's got this rocky ledge over here. You can see it extends up the bank. But it's really pretty. I mean, somebody's got a house right over here. But this part of the river is really nice. So we will sit here a little while, fish, and enjoy the scenery. Think about fishing a place like this where you've never been before. You have to be just a little bit patient and understand you're going to have to explore and try to find the fish. It's just not going to be everywhere you go, and in a new place it may take you several tries before you figure out where they're at. Been here about 15 minutes and hadn't caught anything yet. I think we got tangled up in there's a log right under the water there. But it's in the lovely afternoon, we're gonna try it for a while and see what happens. Okay, after some delay, we tightened up some battery cables and now we're back. There's a real shallow bank over here on the right side. I'm gonna ease around here a little bit just to see. Part of the fun of coming to a new place like this is the opportunity to get out here with your sonar, and I've got two, one in the front on the trolling motor and one in the back on the transom, and explore and see what's actually here, because until you get out here with a depth finder and drive around and do some looking, you really don't know. You don't know how deep the water is. You can make guesses, but you really don't know. It's 11 feet out here in the middle. Not 100 yards down the river, the deepest place I could find was 2 feet. And you just don't know that until you get out here and look. I'm really curious to see what it looks like in the slack water on the backside of this shoal, because the water is very calm. It may be shallow, may be deep, I don't know. We'll just have to ease over here and take a look. It's a beautiful afternoon. Couldn't ask for better water. A little cold. Water temperature is 59 degrees, so it's chilly. The fish have to eat year round. They just don't stop eating altogether. Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock and we are trying a new hole. It's not that deep. It's only about 8 feet deep there in the middle. Below this log over here is one of the few deep holes we found on this part of the river. Most of this is really shallow, but there's enough depth there, I think fish would concentrate there. So we're gonna give it a go for a little while. Oh, we got a fish. Oh my goodness, we actually got a fish here. Come on. It's a little channel cat. How about that, huh? We didn't get skunk. The skunk is out of the boat. Come here. And that is what my daddy would call a good eating size. I hear you. Talk to me. Talk to me, brother. You done got that thing in that meaty part of your mouth. I may break my hook all to pieces trying to get it out of you. But that is okay. Yep. You're gonna make me bend my hook up. Well, where there's one, there's probably more. So you go in the basket. I have no qualms about cleaning a single catfish. See there, folks, it just takes a little understanding of the water, finding a spot where a fish wants to be. Now, one of the nice things about these wire hooks is you can, if you're strong enough, just straighten them right back out. Now we're going to get another worm. Throw him out there. And catch another one. Because he's not by himself, I can promise you that. There's another one out there somewhere. So let's just do a little. And those are fun to catch on this ultralight. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Honestly, I'm happy we caught one more fish than I expected to catch. I didn't expect to catch anything out here. The water is about 59 degrees. It's, you know, the 4th of December, not exactly fishing weather, but to be the first time exploring a new spot where I've never been before. And we did identify some places where we could potentially catch fish. We only had about an hour and a half, 2 hours to fish today, not very long. So all things considered, I think we did a good job. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. That helps the channel out. Until next time, thanks for watching.